Hi everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to start with fractions. The first thing we're going to do is learn how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction and an improper fraction into a mixed number. So let's start. Here I have a mixed number, 1 and a half. I want to change it into an improper fraction. So what I need to do is I need to take this whole number 1 and multiply it by the denominator. Remember, numerator on the top, denominator at the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say 1 times 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, and then I'm going to add the top. So 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3 over 2. Let's do a few more examples. Let's say I have the mixed number 2 and 1 over 3. So I'm going to say 2 times 3, and then I'm going to add 1. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 3. Let's do one more example. Bit of a bigger number. Let's say we have 12 and a quarter. So we're going to say 12 times 4. So 12 times 4, 48. Plus 1 is 49 over 4. Now let's look at changing improper fractions back into mixed numbers. Let's say I have 7 over 3 and I want to change it into a mixed number. An improper fraction is where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Let's change this into a mixed number. So I'm going to say 3 goes into 7 how many times? 3 goes into 7 2 times, because 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 goes into 7 2 times, remainder 1. And I'm going to put my denominator. Let's say I had 3 over 2. I'm going to say 2 goes into 3 1 time, remainder 1 over 2. Let's try one more. 49 over 4. So I'm going to say 4 goes into 49 how many times? 4 goes into 49 12 times, because 4 times 12 is 48. From 48 to 49 we have a remainder of 1 over 4. With fractions are not hard, but the key to learning fractions is you need to know how to multiply quickly. So you need to know your multiplication tables. In this case, we need to know our 4 times tables. So we knew that 4 goes into 49 12 times, because 4 times 12 is 48, with a remainder of 1. So the first thing you need to do before you get here is learn your multiplication tables. This is not hard. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to add fractions. Bye.